Okay. Today our task uh, is to develop a paired sample t-test. So that we shall be developing today. And this paired sample t-test has many names, such as we can call it as dependent t-test. Also, I can call it as a repeated major t-test, and I can also call it as a within subject t-test. So it has many names indeed. Okay, and it has many names that we shall be doing today. And here, what I am doing, here I am taking, suppose here I am taking 12 passions, 12 passions that I shall be taking today. 12 patient, that is, I write it, 12 passions that I shall be taking. The 12 patients, those are suffering from blood pressure, and first I shall be taking the blood pressure reading from the big population, right? So that means I shall be choosing 12 patients from the whole population, and then I shall be, that means this 12 is a sample, right? This 12 as a sample, and I shall be taking the reading of the blood pressure of this 12 patient, right? Blood pressure of 12 patients. Okay. Then afterwards, I shall be giving them a special exercise to reduce the blood pressure. And after that 1 month exercise, 1 month exercise, 1 month exercise, I shall be taking the blood pressure reading again, right? Then I shall compare whether before the exercise and after the exercise, whether the blood pressure of these 12 patients have been reduced or not. Okay. So first I insert the variable, insert the data. So here you can see data view, variable view, data view, variable view. Okay, first I put the variable name. The first variable is before. That means before taking the exercise. And the second variable is after. That means after taking that exercise. Okay, now I insert the data of 12 patients. So I click on the data view. So I have two variables, before and after. Okay, so first I insert all the blood pressure reading here from 12 patients, 110, 120, then 100, then 90, then 100, then 110, 110 again, then 85, then 87, then 87 again, then 100, then 100, right? So these are the blood pressure reading from 12 patient before taking that special exercise. Okay, now after taking the special exercise, suppose 1 month special exercise, I take the blood pressure reading again from this 12 patient, and I put the reading here one by one. So the first patient reading was 100, then 90, 110, 120, then 110 again, then 110 again, 120, then 100, then 120, 110, then comes up 98, then 85. Okay, so this one is the before the special exercise, the blood pressure reading, and this one is the after taking the exercise. Now what I want to check, I want to check whether the spatial exercise program has been fruitful or not. So here I am to check whether special exercise program has been fruitful or not for this passions, for this passion that I have, right? For the passion that I want to check. So for doing it, I shall be applying paired sample t-test, right? I shall be applying paired sample t-test whether this special exercise program has been fruitful or not. Okay. Now there are some assumption that we must have. What is the assumptions? Our assumptions is both the variables such as before and after must be normally distributed, right? That we should check before running further operation. We should check whether before and after these two variables must be normally distributed. If they are not normal, then we should not apply paired sample t-test. We shall only apply paired sample t-test when these two variables are normally distributed. Okay, and you know that normal distribution check can be done in many ways. There are many ways actually we can use, but here I am not showing that part, but I am assuming that these two variables are normally distributed. that is my assumptions only, right? Because there are many ways uh, to 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 check whether these two variables are normally distributed or not, such as you can try with the box plot test, right? You can also try QQ statistics, right? And also you can try, there are some other way whether a variable is normally distributed or not. Suppose another test, the name of the test is you can do is also Kolmogorov Kolmogorov and Smirnov statistics, right? So all these tests can tell you whether a particular variable is normally distributed or not. Okay, so but we are not going to check all this thing here, but we just assume that our these two variable before and after are normally distributed. Okay, now we can proceed for our paired sample t-test or repeated measure t-test. That we shall proceed now.